Hello students, today in this video I am going to explain you arc and chord properties of a circle. So the first thing you need to know, in equal circles or in the same circle, if two arcs subtend equal angle at the center or centers, then they are equal. Suppose there is a circle with center O and OA and OB are two radii. Similarly, we take another circle of the same radii. That means these two circles are congruent circles. O prime is the center, OP and O prime P and O prime Q is the radii. Now, if AOB equals to angle PO prime Q, then these two arcs, that means arc AB and arc PQ, are of same length. Now, based on the axioms we just learned, we are going to prove our first theorem in equal circles or in the same circle. The theorem is applicable whether you consider two different circles of the same radii, or you can consider one circle with same arc. In equal circle or in the same circle, equal chord cut off equal arc. That means here chord AB is given as chord PQ. Chord AB is given as chord PQ. Then we need to prove that arc AB equals to arc PQ. So first we need to prove these two triangles are congruent to each other. That means we prove the congruency of the triangle OAB and O prime PQ. Now OA equals to PQ because they are the radii of the equal circle. OB equals to O prime Q, same reason, and AB equals to PQ as it is given to you. Therefore these two triangles are congruent to each other. Therefore angle AOB is congruent to triangle PO prime Q. So by CPCT we can say that these two angles are equal. That means angle AOB equals to angle P prime OQ. Therefore since the angles are equal, therefore corresponding arcs are also be same. Now, moving into the next, in equal circle or in same circle, if two arcs are equal, then their chords are equal. In the previous theorem, it is given that chords are equal, we need to prove arcs are equal. And in this theorem, it is given that arcs are equal, you need to prove that the corresponding chords are equal. So, same way, we prove these two triangles are congruent to each other. So here OA equals to O prime P, OB equals to O prime Q, and angle AOB equals to angle PO prime Q. So these two triangles are congruent to each other. Now, once the triangles are congruent to each other, therefore we can say that by CPCT, these two chords are also be equal. Now, let us take our first problem. A and B are points on a circle with center O. C is a point on the circle such that OC bisect angle AOB. OC bisect angle AOB, that means angle AOC equals to angle COB. So we need to prove that OC bisect arc AB, that means arc AC equals to arc BC. Now since these two angles are equal, that means angle AOC equals to angle BOC, that means the corresponding arc are also equal, that means arc AC equals to arc BC. It implies that OC is the bisector of arc AB. Thank you student for watching this.